Hello, thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello, beauties. How is everybody doing? This is Miss J. I'm popping in. I want to show you this look that I created today in my office. And yes, I am Kandi Koated. Let me just jump right into it and show you the products that I use, okay? All right. Now, my eyes, there you go. I used a palette called Throwing Shade. Oh, we can do that sometimes, right, ladies? We can throw shade. But here it is right here. Here it is right here. But the palette is called Exposed. Okay? The line of the palette is called Throwing Shade. The name of it is called Exposed. Okay? Now, this palette has 3 matte, 1 shimmer. This is the shimmer here. This is the shimmer that I used on my lid. Yes. Now, I use this color and this color, these two, as my transitional shade. What y'all think? Yes. And again, it's called Throwing Shade Exposed Palette. Okay. Next we have Dazzle Shimmers. Now the product line Dazzle has 2 shimmers. One Lovesick and the other one is called Turned On. We all have been lovesick before, right? And we all love to be turned on, right? Right. But what I have on today is the Lovesick. Now, you can use this to apply over your face before applying your foundation. But I chose to use it to illuminate me in my T-zone areas and on my nose. That's what I chose to do with it. So that's what it's called, Lovesick. Y'all like it? Yes. Now next is all the lips. The lips. Can't miss them, right? Now, this is a glaze Lipshine. And the name of it is Cuddle. Oh, don't we like to cuddle, ladies? Yes, we like to cuddle. That's what this shade is in. And it's a Lipshine. It don't take a lot either. Yes. Feels real smooth. Real smooth. Doesn't take a lot. But it's a Lipshine. Okay? And it's called Cuddle. Now what I paired it with, a lip liner called Inspiration. Yes, we all love to have inspiration sometimes, right? Exactly. Now this Inspiration, it is dark. That's it right there. Goes on very smooth. I think it looks good together. Very good pair. Okay. And next is the brows. I use High Brow and in brown. It's on the spoolie. So what I do, I take my small angle brush and apply mine to my liking. What y'all think? Yes. 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 Now this is called High Brow in brown. Next we have the bronzer. Now what I did to get it to my liking, I continued to apply it to get it the way I want it. Now this is called Romantic. romantic. Now, Bedroom Kandi can help you get romantic. Yes. It's not chalky. Doesn't have a lot of fallout. But you can build it up to get it to your liking. Again, this is called romantic. And the last but not least one are the cheeks. Now, this is called Chic-To-Chic, but its name of it is Bashful. The product line is Chic-To-Chic. The name of this palette is Bashful. There's nothing wrong with being bashful, ladies. There's nothing wrong with being bashful. Now, this one is very pigmented. Very pigmented. Yes, it is. Doesn't take a lot. But there it is right here. Doesn't take a lot. And that's what I have on my cheeks. Again, it's called Bashful. Okay, I just popped in just to show y'all what I have on and show you the look that I did today in my office. What y'all think? Yes. So I am Kandi Koated. So now, if you would like to get Kandi Koated, contact Faces by Angela J. Inbox me, set that appointment, and allow me to Kandi Koat you. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.